How to fix Steam error code 50. The servers are too busy to handle your request. It often appears when trying to open the store or library and can be caused by server issues, network problems, or corrupted cache. First of all you have to do is restart the Steam. Fully exit Steam from the system tray or from your web browser logged in and restart your PC and open the Steam again. This is the most quickest and easiest way to fix your problems. And if this does not solve your problem, then all you have to do is simply make sure that you are connected to your internet connection. Restart your Wi Fi or router if needed, and also avoid VPNs or proxies or try toggling them if you are using one. Then all you have to do is go to the New tab. Now, in the New tab, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the settings at the bottom. Then at the left hand side, tap on the privacy and security. Then tap on the delete browsing data and tap on the all data at the top and delete the data. This will clear Steam's web browser cache. And once it is simply deleted, then all you have to do is simply delete the Steam app from your device and reinstall it. And it will be, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.